Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I'm off at a car boot. Got my trolley, got my bag, got my GoPro. Doesn't seem to be as big as usual. Maybe I'm a bit early or what, but I'll have a wander around and see what we can find, shall we?
Thank you. I've got some more.
Oh, lovely. How much are they, please?
How much? 50p.
Okay, lovely.
They're all 50p, and
Right.
they're hardback as well.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll leave it there.
All right then.
Thank you.
I shall put it in the car. All right.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
It's a never-ending book thing.
Yeah. There's a lot of books around.
They're all the old bands. Whatever.
John Weston the like.
Hey?
John West, I think it is.
Yeah.
Would you do £2 for those? Yeah. Thank you. Lovely.
Brilliant.
Thank you very much.
Very much.
Dolly sleep.
So how much are your books, please?
Oh, sorry.
That's right, how much are your books, please?
The hardback one's £1, all the others 50p.
Okay, lovely, thank
Or
you.
like 3 for £1 for the book ones.
Okay, thank you.
Can you lift that up, Marnie, and bring that over here? And I'll put all the books over there. I think, for me to help you with that. Hiya.
Oh yeah. How much do 3 for £1 for that?
Yeah, go
Yeah.
on, that's one.
Lovely, thank you. Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
What's this thing?
good size, isn't it? Oh, it's fish. Unless it's in that box that I left behind. It is what it is, isn't it?
I'm going to get these trays out.
Go and go and stick. There might be some. Right, how many you got there?
10 of your books.
10 books for £1. There you go. Enjoy the read.
I will do. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
I'm just going to get my cigarettes. The pound mark, the t-shirts.
Sorry, he's about to look at us.
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you.
Pound.
Oh, yeah, I've got 6 there.
6, lovely.
Lovely.
What have you got? There we go.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely,
Thank
thank you. 4.
Three of them.
Yeah, we also run a splitting service as well.
How much are your books, please?
So it's 50p a book.
Okay, lovely. Thank you.
Can feel right.
Yeah, I can.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
You can have a look at the books.
No, it's alright. I can see they're in pretty good condition as it is. So. Yeah, I'll take those for £2, please.
Okay.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Thank
Thanks
you.
very much. Thank you.
Another one there, look. with £3 for the
See you
two.
later.
See you later.
Do you want me to tell him to come back?
Yeah, I told him anyway, because I said I'll probably have another game. Thank you.
How much are your gruffaloes, please?
£2 each. £3 for the two.
Yeah, go on, I'll do that, please.
Any other toys coming out?
Are these actually free?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, lovely. Thank you.
We have an abundance of books at home. My kids love to read, so it's now time to
Yeah.
pass them on.
Right, fair enough, thank you.
Hey?
It's like a gift set. I haven't actually.
What is it?
It's like, I can tell you, it is, there's a hand cream, a body wash, body lotion and bath soap crystals.
Okay. Cheers. Thank you very much.
Whoa. Almost.
Nearly. Oh, that's changed. Thank you.
How much is that?
£2.
£2. Okay, lovely, thank you.
Lovely.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I'll take those then, please.
£2.
Lovely, thank you.
Hi, Keith.
Brilliant.
Come here.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
That's not a bad go. I've got quite a few books. Picked up a few more random bits as well, which the Gruffaloes can do quite well, so I grabbed those because I looked for my son and he might even like them. He probably will like them, so if he for some reason doesn't want them, I'll see what they're worth. And some other little twee bits. Yeah, I'm going to dump this off at the car because it's getting a bit heavy. And then, if I can find the car, where's the car? I think I might have another wander around with the bag instead of the trolley and see how I do. Right, one quick look around, got a bag, see what we can find. For those of you who are interested, this is the Ada car boot in Shoreham. I've been to it a few times this year. It's sort of on every other Saturday almost, but you can check online anyway if anyone's interested at all. I've just gone up the wrong aisle, but yeah, let's go.
Oh, so cute. Yeah.
How much are your VHS, please?
These are £4 for £1.
Okay, cute.
These ones? Yeah. In the bag. Trying to see
Yeah.
what they are. Yeah?
We do 2 for 50p, or
Yeah,
just that?
yeah. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. How much are your books, please?
How much are we charging for the books, Sandra?
I'd say £1 for the newer ones and 50p for the not so new. So the ones that are nice, big, new condition.
Right. Okay. I'll have a look. Thank you.
No problem.
How much for those 3 then, please?
Sorry, yeah, I would say £2.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
lovely. There is another Peter James there. I don't know if you saw.
Yeah, no, I'll leave that one.
Yeah,
It's
no,
just the
that's fine.
hardback one.
I wasn't sure, it was just a bit
No,
hidden.
thank you.
Hardbacks can be a bit heavy,
They
can't
can
they?
be, yeah.
Super, thank you very much.
Thank you.
اول بپرس چنده بعضی موقع میگم 5
She's been making me do it all morning. I'm like that.
I'll just crawl.
2, 3, 4, 6.
Six, lovely.
Thank you.
I like people keeping it simple for me.
Yes. There we go.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I can take those, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's 5 in the shop union. Brilliant. Thank you
Lovely,
very much.
thank you.
Right, so there we go. I wasn't expecting much second time around. I kind of never do because I feel like I look quite thoroughly, but obviously I didn't because I've got a whole bag full. And you can see that I can't lift it much higher of more books. So I probably should have brought the trolley with me. Book buggy, I keep calling it trolley, book buggy. But yes, I've got some Cressida Cowl, which are good. I've got a set of those listed at the minute. And this is actually a better set and it's more complete. So yeah, I'm quite excited, and right, I shall leave it there I think, and thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Before you go, if there is if you want to watch another video, I'll link another video up here somewhere and you can watch that. Thank you very much.